Haiti has its rich history, and this restaurant has its rich history as well. Today, our quest takes us to Caribbean Latino finger licking restaurant. In here is so diverse. The different highlights of the restaurant is what you guys really like to see. How they situated themselves, including some of the wood carvings you eat, what the culture is like, what the history of the restaurant is, and much more. So please keep it locked, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to click the notification bell. So without any further ado, let's get into it. And they also do catering, guys, so you can also go and check them out. Our guest is on the other side of the cash register. We already have our food, and she's the one that prepared it. And this is a regular part of what they eat in Haiti.
Bonsoir, bonsoir guys. Tout le monde qui peut regarder, mais qui regarder, non pas monsieur Kathleen. Nous avons un restaurant qui est le Caribbean Latino Finger Licking Restaurant in Edmonton. Adresse là c'est 8702 118 Avenue Northwest. So we have a Haitian restaurant named Caribbean Latino Finger Licking. Our location is on 8702 118 Avenue. So we are the best Haitian restaurant in Edmonton. Our food is tastes like a back home. So manger nous na Edmonton na restaurant qui Caraïbe là, étant que haïtien qui représente pour Haïti. Manger nous c'est the best lieu là. Manger ça, li test kankou c'est manger la caille ou manger. Premièrement, et place la propre et nous fait manger à propre, manger à un bon goût et nous vraiment welcome client yo. Nous traiter client avec kindness, nous traiter client avec un pile bon bagay côté que même les clients pas trop à pile sorti la cali pas content, nous traiter client avec un gens côté que pour client capable welcome pour capable venir manger. Nous c'est seul restaurant que c'est nous-mêmes qui représenter restaurant haïtien ici Edmonton, mais nous essayer pour nous un restaurant qui moderne et nous voulons tout et les moun al regarder tout pour review nous gagner moun ba nous pour capable ouais est-ce que nous traiter client bien, est-ce que client yo happy de manger, est-ce que manger dans goût yo, c'est peut-être ça nous bon staff qui a travaillé vraiment dur son façon pour nous capable kembe client nous bien pour nous capable faire client yo welcome les venir dans restaurant. Ça veut dire nous espérer de nous-mêmes pour nous capable venir visiter nous dans nous adresse encore. We have fried plantain and fried chicken. And we have black mushroom rice with red beans on it. And then we have potato salad, pois rouge vert, jonjon. Et puis nous gagnons poule fruit là-dedans, nous gagnons banane pesée, nous gagnons salade pomme de terre. Ça c'est ça li envie manger nous balil. Et comme ça tout nous gagnons oxtail le samedi, nous gagnons poisson frit, nous gagnons cabrit, nous gagnons poule, nous gagnons poisson bec si moun nan vle poisson bec, nous gagnons poisson frit. Et l'or manger à tout, à faire pour manger pour pas retourner en pas ça même. Est-ce qu'on comprend? Ça veut dire lui même li veut manger poule, jodi nous préparer poule.
If people are looking for you, what platform can they find you guys on?
When they type Caribbean Latino Finger Licking Restaurant, every day we have a different menu. So they can go either Uber, DoorDash, and Skip Dish, or they can go to our website to order. Or they can call me over the phone to 780-680-8480 or 7802-9469. We are open from 12 noon to 9 p.m.
She is really passionate about what she's talking about as well, guys. Check them out, and I'm gonna put their link in the description box. Talk to us about these drinks that you have in the background.
Ça c'est crémas nous gagnons. Nous gagne crémas haïtien. OK, nous gagne crémas là pas oublier nous connaît. Nous quitter la caille, nous gagne des fois nous voulons prendre goût la caille nous. Ça veut dire nous gagne crémas ça yo vend $35. OK, ça veut dire bouchon c'est pour gagner une clé pour capable retirer bouchon et puis crémas la presse wali ti moun moi vide crémas la li pas couler ça veut dire ça c'est crémas la caille nous gagne pas oublier ou connaît la caille nous les n'a boire crémas pour coller dans verre pour nous cawe n'a bon crémas ça fait avec bon Nestlé bon lait de carnation bon cocoa qui gragé à la main. We add some carnation milk like evaporation milk.
You taste the creaminess including the liquor very apparent inside of this. Oh, this is what Haitian goodness is all about, guys.
So this one, cinnamon and some lime zest, you add it in a small water and then you keep stirring until it gets thick. And then you add milk and sugar.
This is a morning breakfast meal. You already see the bread breakdown. It's very family oriented, and I really like the atmosphere. The first time I go try Haitian food. This is what you call mushroom rice. Get the herb, wash it, turn it into a powder, and then they put it inside of the water with the rice. It's a seasoning that they use to bring out the flavor of the rice, and it gives it that color as well. It looks just like rice and peas.
I wasn't expecting it to be this spicy. Persons who love spice, this is for you. Taste of vinegar inside of it, but it's not bad. It's a different taste.
We're gonna try a little bit of this. This is what it looks like. This is the first forkful that I've taken up. This sauce, it definitely complements the chicken. Let's try it with the plantain. I'm gonna try and bite off just this little tip of it. That really works. It really complements the texture of it really well.
Really good experience to indulge in different cultures. You have chunks of potato inside of it as well, just like how we would have it there. And we have the little cream and the slur there. It's crunchy. The green pepper along with the potato gives that crunchy taste. It's off. It's good, but it's not too overpowering.
Mild sweet. If it's a pepper or if it's pickle, that is what I'm really getting the crunchiness from. The balance is really what you look for when you're eating potato salad. There's no complaint. Every texture here, from your onions, the bell peppers. I got that whole side meat. This is how you know that the seasoning is really penetrating that. They all complement each other. As I'm sitting right here, you can already smell that flavor from the fish. I really like the balance, even the collaborative nature. You could just eat the rice alone without even touching the chicken. It's a true epitome of Haitian rice and peas. Really flavorful. You have a mountain full of flavors here. The mushroom rice really sells the whole entire plate. Everything is slapping. The chicken is cooked straight through.
This is goat meat and sauce, of course, and plantains, which I highly recommend. It's so good. And potato salad and crema. They usually have it in weddings back home. For those who can definitely afford it, they would have this. Goat meat back home is very expensive, like if you're buying it in the market. Exactly same way. That's why I love this place.
It's in a small location, just attached to this building site, and all of the cooking that they do is out of here. They get a lot of customers as well, and it's really busy. And they're open 6 days a week, except Sunday.
This is Edify magazine. Is their publication. So that every year they do a best restaurant. When we opened August of 2022, unbeknownst to us, there was 4 spots for the best new, and we ended up winning one of them. But one day of the week that you always ate well was Sunday. So Sunday food is macaroni pie, stewed chicken, callaloo,
Aloo pie.
Yeah, we do aloo pie and stuff. What we do is we have a static menu, and then Fridays and Saturdays are our specials, so those change all the time.
How can customer get in touch with you guys if they want to get in touch?
So we are located at 10140 117th Street. We are 1 block north of Jasper on 117th Street in the Stratica Medical Building. We are on Instagram under Cafe Caribbean, and we are also have our website, which is cafecaribbean.ca, so you can also find us there.
How long have you guys been open?
We opened in August of 2022. It's been a great ride, totally fun. We're living our dream, so nothing to complain about.
This is the spot for all Trinidadian food. What is it about your restaurant that just keeps them coming? What is that sweetness that you keep on offering?
Totally authentic. Like everything we make ourselves, from the doubles, from the roti, from the sauces that we use, everything we make ourselves. We love feeding people, and I think it comes across. And people like to come here. It's just a vibe, you know, like our tagline says, good food, good vibes.
And that's what this restaurant is all about. Good food, good vibes. What kind of sauce?
It's a shadow benny. It's a herb.
So these are all different mixtures that you put on top of the doubles. Oh, look at how she separates all the meat and everything. Rush, it never stops. It's non-stop. This is the Sunday food that they're preparing right now.
Macaroni pie, beans, scallop, stewed chicken.
This is what you call a real belly food.
Then we put some
The tamarind sauce inside of that too. And then
shadow
you put
benny.
your shadow benny on top of it again.
Yes. And hot sauce.
Pepper. She's an expert when it comes down to preparing all these. This is what she does on a regular.
So today, this is our special. We usually have beans, but today we have lentils for our special with the Sunday food that you've seen previously. And then here we have curry chickpeas, which we use in our doubles. Full vegetarian. We're restocking on our stewed chicken. It's so good that it's gone. They use our stewed chicken. Lots of gravy. And then here for another special today, we have our curry shrimp. So you can have this on rice or with a roti. A lot of people like the curry shrimp roti. And then here we've got some curry chicken, braised pork, and our brown stew beef are our most popular here. And then here is another restock.
Oh, so this is
This
now
is
you
our
have your
potato.
potato and your chickpeas
Yeah,
together.
the curry chickpea and potato. And then here at the back, we have our brown stewed beef. We clean our beef very nicely so there's no extra fat or anything like that. We've got our fruit punch, which we call it friggin' punch because it's friggin' good. And then we have our sorrel, which is the actual viscous flour. Sorrel also has medicinal benefits too. But here we got our fried chicken, and on days where our cooks are feeling nice, and then in our back station over here, this is our fried bake, and then we'll have our smoked herring that we have. You can see it's nice and juicy too.
This is our coconut bake that we have with bacon saltfish or bacon smoked herring. So it's a big circle and then we cut it up. Since I was 11, I've been cooking and baking.
You can also customize your orders and you can get vegetarian meals here as well. As a customer, you can sit down and you can enjoy your food. This is what we're working with today. We didn't eat the food inside of the spot because they were closing. I ended up taking the food home and I'm gonna do my own review on it. We're just going to wrap it up. We'll see you when we do the review. So keep it locked. I wanna give a big shout out to them guys, Cafe Caribbean and all the staff. We got the shrimp, Sunday food, along with some potato salad. As big as the Aki culture is, they're also big in food. Once all your taste buds have been heightened, you can't go wrong. So with that being said, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, guys. Thank you for watching and we're out.